Right, we've had a great day out today. We've been to the beach, visited the town. It's called a village on the complex, basically I call it a complex, and it's a pool bar it's called. And at the back of there's like a little ramp which goes down the back, and it takes you just on the beach front. And we had live music there. There was no activity on, but we still had live music. Went out there at 8 o'clock and we've just come back now. It's 12:30, so we have had a good night. The drinks are free up to 11 o'clock. The vodka's not as strong unless after 11 o'clock, and you buy the vodka then, and then it's like triple the strength of vodka. But it's free, innit? People are moaning about the drinks being you've got to pay for them, or you've not got to pay for them, or it's watered down. It's a drink, it's socialising, it's something we're not doing at home at the minute, so let's just enjoy what we've got. We've been around the pool all day today. We've done some drone footage, we've done some videos. It's not as bad as what people are saying. Yes, you can pay for meals, but then you don't have to pay for meals, so it's not that bad, is it, Jen? Here, no, it's not bad at all. It's good. Met a few people from Wigan. Everyone's friendly. You get the odd ones which don't talk, but obviously you just move on and have a laugh and a joke with everybody else. But yeah, we're enjoying it. One day today we've been here, and it feels like we've been here for 3 days. We've enjoyed it that much today. The beach, you don't pay for the lounges. I think somebody said you pay for the lounges. You don't pay for the lounges. There's in the village part from each complex. We're all allowed to go to the village, but we're not allowed to go in each. I think it's the ocean's not allowed to come in the Marin, for example, and Marin's not allowed to go in the ocean. You've got your wristbands on with like I say, the orange, and we're at the Marin on there. The food's not as bad as what people are saying it is. I think it's because we're British and we don't want to experiment with different foods. Yeah, it's edible, as Jan's just said. If you like burgers and chips, you're fine. We haven't found the pizza place yet, but like I said, it's the first day we're here. If you like, I will put another video up, so watch out for that. It's Oscar's outlet, with his clothes and his shoes and bags and things like that. I have done a little bit of a video for him today. He's asked me to put it on YouTube for him, and that's what I'm going to do. Haggle with him. He likes to haggle. Nice lad. He comes to our hotel quite regularly because he's got relatives here at the minute, and he's downstairs now at the Marin. He even invited us over to go and sit with him and meet his family. But yeah, it is what it is. You either like it or you lump it, but it's nice. Don't be put off by everybody else. There is one thing that's been happening. Today it's happened to us, but I know it's happened yesterday and the day before. We've got a serial pool pooper. Basically, somebody's crapping in the pool. So obviously the pool gets closed off. It's taped off, so you can't go swimming in that pool. The slides have been opened today, the water park slide bits, so that's all sorted out. I'm trying to think now, there is plenty to do, excursions, and most of the excursions they will pick you up free of charge and take you to the trips where you're going on to. Restaurants outside of the hotel, they will pick you up and they will take you to where the restaurant is or facility is. There's, oh god, there's a safari trip we're going on, a boat trip we want to go on, that we're going on that on Thursday, Wednesday or tomorrow or Thursday, and it's on the evening one. We're not doing the morning one, we want to see the sunset, so it will still be daylight when we go, but obviously I think it's 3 o'clock they pick us up, 3 or 4 o'clock, so it's still like daytime, and then obviously it'll go into the sunset time, and then they'll drop us back off at the Marin hotel or the Ocean, whichever one you're staying at. Ignore what everybody is saying, it's this and it's that. Yes, you do have to pay for certain things. Yeah, after 11 o'clock you have to pay for your spirits. Jan likes a vodka and coke, and she's never had a problem. She's never really had to pay for it except for tonight because it was after 11 o'clock. And you've got a burger, what's it called, that a burger bar, Burgerland it's called, in each, like say the Ocean, the Marin and so on and so on. They've all got a Burgerland in there, and that's open 24 hours, so you've always got something to eat. The chips are nice, the fries I should say. The burgers are alright. The only thing what I'd say with the burgers is you've got like a bit of a sweet bun with it, cob, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's not bad, it's good. The price of food, what people are saying it's expensive. We went to the shop in the hotel today, so you can buy your big bottles of coke and things like that. So we got a big bottle of coke, a medium-sized coke, a medium-sized orange. What else did we buy? Oh, we bought some Pringles cheese and onion crisps. We bought some barbecue cheese and onion crisps, Pringles, and we bought some sun cream, and it comes to £8. I mean, you pay for the size of the bottle of coke we got, you pay probably £4 for that anyway, so £8 I don't think it's bad. We bought some water shoes today as well, for obviously the beach is red hot, the sand is red hot, so I would advise you to get some sandals or the water shoes, I forget what they're called, wet shoes for the beach. It is red hot, and obviously it's a little bit, it's not stone, it's gravelly. When you do go a little bit deeper in the sea, it is more rocks and then sand again, so I would advise you to get them. I'm trying to think of anything else to tell you. If there's any questions what you want me to answer for you while we're over here, or find out for you, give us a message, let us know. So if you want me to find something out for you, and I will. At this moment in time, it's nice. It's not, we haven't got a problem yet. I know it's only one day. We arrived last night, I think it was 12:30 in this time, Turkey time, 10:30 English time. It's an hour and 15 minutes from the airport to get here. Might be a little bit longer depending which hotels they're dropping off at. When they say they're going to be dropping off at the Ocean and then the Marin, it's basically they're next door to each other. So it's literally 4 or 5 minutes to drop you back off. So an hour and 50 minutes, an hour and 55 minutes. And then there's one further away from this which is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Jet 2 has been really good. The flight over there was alright, it was not just normal. The only thing what I would say is people are moaning about me saying that I was talking on the plane, taking my mask down. Now, yeah, I'm talking on video and I want you to see what I'm saying, but saying I should only take it down when I'm eating, that's fine. But when you go in the airport and it's each chair, you've got one chair where you can sit on, the next one you can't sit on, and then the next chair somebody can sit on. So that's like trying to keep the 2 metre distance. But yet when you get on the flight and you're sat on that flight and you've got, I'm sat there, Jan's sat there, and then we've got a stranger sat at the side of us, so it's okay for him to breathe all over us when he's eating his food, because obviously he's got to take his mask down. So yeah, take your comments on board, but obviously you've got to look at my comments. If he can do it and he can take his mask off and I don't even know him as a stranger, obviously it's down to them to sort of social distancing out. I only took my mask off just to do, I think it was, what, I'd say 2 minutes in total talking to the camera, but now obviously somebody's saying that I should only take it off when I'm eating. That's their opinion. My opinion is, okay, if that's the case, why sticking somebody sat outside of me who don't even know as a stranger on my, yeah, he was sat outside of Jan, but yeah, he can have his food, take his mask off. But that's, like I say, it's good. Ignore what people are saying. Somebody's, like I say, the serial pool pooper. It's not just happened at this Marin, it's happened at the ocean, it's happened at another one as well. So it looks like somebody's going around and doing a serial poop in somebody's pool. It could be kids, children. There's a lot of signs saying up if kids are going in the pool to wear the swim nappies, which I think they're provided for them, aren't they? They can, or you can buy them at the shop here. The village is basically not far. It's just from the Marin, walk out to where the main big pool is, go to the bottom, turn left, you'll come to a little entry or tunnel, whatever you want to call it. Go through that and you're straight into the village. Then you've got the beach right in front of you. You've got all some shops there. You can have chicken burgers, you can have beef burgers. What else can you have there, Jan? Waffles, ice cream, waffles, chocolate waffles, and it doesn't cost you anything. Say again? Kebabs, yeah, kebab was nice there. People are saying that you have to use the orange or Jet 2. It's everyone's getting it. It's not, doesn't say it's for certain members. With Jet 2, 2A, they're all the same. It's still giving you the meals, and it's just certain times of day. The burger was it bar or whatever it's called? Was it called the burger what? Burgerland. When the main restaurants are open, Burgerland closes, and then once the main restaurants close, the Burgerland opens again. So come enjoy it. Don't be thinking what other people said, oh I wonder what it's going to be like. It's good, it's nice. Up to now it's been nice for us. If you have any problems with it, just hit the subscribe button, like and share it, and ask me any questions. If we can find something out for you while we are here before you come, give us a message. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. See you all soon. Bye for now.